Cause you don't know this is Jamaican English, the full dish. Yo, I wanna power with them Babylon, you know. We gonna fire upon them Babylon, you hear me? Burn the system that. We tell the people them, cha-cha-cha. Hold on. I wanna move with them, I wanna like them. We gonna fire upon, you have to tell them again. I wanna move with them, I wanna like them. Me have to tell them again, me gonna fire upon. I wanna move with them Babylon. In a confusion, must be a solution. Selassie, I give a demonstration. Under me herbs, it's a meditation. I steer far from corruption, but me gun them, loaded for action. I'm scared of Selassie, so send out the devil man with your wicked plan. In front of eyes I see pollution. Mr. Drugs and prostitution, there is no illusion. Kids them can't come pass exam. Know how to shut it up gram by gram. And politician don't give a damn. You not live out of pocket so you don't understand. How are their ass cleat? How are their ass man? Mr. most racist man come from Babylon. And all informer, them I work for Babylon. And when I like Babylon, but everywhere I go I can smell them Babylon. Them I stink like a pig and when I am bacon. So keep me far from the pig station, cause I'm a free man in this nation. Why them try to pollute the generation? You're making a mistake, Babylon you're fake. Jump them originate, jump make me live it great. Reverse the earth and cause an earthquake. Babylon me bury with a rake. You are the weakest link, you get a checkmate. Free out me prisoner from the iron gate. So we're free like a bird and it's never too late to sit in our castle and go and eat with cake. Come on a real man and I don't hesitate. Come on a real man and I don't pirate. I got enough love and I don't share hate. If you try and disrespect Babylon, you get detonate. How we not come for move with her? How we not like Ponde? We ban a fire.